Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to find the WhatsApp web version. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to locate the version of WhatsApp web you're currently using. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your computer. Log into your account and access your chats. Next, click on the three dots icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize your WhatsApp experience. Now, locate and click on Help in the Settings menu. This section provides helpful information and support for WhatsApp. Here, you'll find the version of WhatsApp web you're using. It may be listed as WhatsApp web version or something similar. Take note of this version number, as it can be useful for troubleshooting or referring to specific features. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find the version of WhatsApp web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.